Hello friends, welcome to Tech Garage. In today's video, I will demonstrating how to effectively solve low audio issue on a Lenovo laptops. So let's start the video. To solve the audio issue, there are few options like updating, resetting, installing audio drivers. However, in this video, I will focus on two simple settings. The first one is using the Lenovo Vantage setting and second is using a Dolby Atmos settings. So let's start the video. Firstly, you have to open Lenovo Vantage app. Then go to dynamic settings. Then you just have to turn on these effects. Turn on all the effects like voices, bass, treble and volume stabilizer, and increase all these parameters. After doing this, you can check the audio quality. As I am listening, this is too much increased after applying this setting. So this is the first way to increase the audio quality in the Lenovo laptops. And the second way to increase the audio quality in a Lenovo laptop is turn on the Dolby Atmos settings. So firstly, open your Dolby Atmos. And you just have to turn on the Dolby Atmos settings and choose the category of audio. Like I will choose music. It will provide a better quality. So using these methods, you can increase audio quality of your Lenovo laptop.